doorbell button. It'll be less scary. What was that? Oh, my favorite viewers, I'm only doing this for you. Come on out! Hands up! Phew. Give a thumbs up if you are as worried as me. What have you done with this house? Sue just finished it yesterday! Get back to your cage! Go home! Home! I'm weird. Where do the hamsters go? Phew! It was just a dream. Oh. Huh? Sue, save yourself!
What's wrong, Sam?
The wicked witch took the hamsters. I thought I was dreaming, but it wasn't a dream. It's true.
Really?
Sue, don't go. There's a witch. She lured them in.
Oh, Sam. They escaped from the cage to eat the gingerbread house.
Who escaped? I almost died myself. Sue, you don't believe me.
Sure I do, Sam, but the hamsters are fine.
How do you know? Oh.
I saw them in the other room. They nibbled the house and ran away.
Oh, is it yummy?
Of course, this house is made of gingerbread dough.
And there's no witch.
No, Sam, it's not a fairy tale, although the gingerbread house did come from a fairy tale.
My precious. Sue, can I live here?
Aren't you afraid of the witch?
You said.
Just kidding, Sam. Let me tell you about the fairy tale with the gingerbread house. We'll make something amazing for the hamsters so they don't run away anymore.
Yay! Guys, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Today we'll show you something really cool.
Hey guys! Today we'll be making a gingerbread house from cardboard for our hamsters. And of course, we'll start with the floor and the walls. This wall will be solid. And I made holes here for our hamsters so they can easily go in and out.
Oh, wait! Make different shapes. Around here, a square here, and a star here. And then we'll paint it really pretty.
Oh, Sammy, you got a little carried away. We're making it for the hamsters. The holes must be big enough and also smooth enough so they don't hurt themselves.
So, let's make an attic.
Sure thing. Right away. Could you bring me the book, The Gingerbread House, from the shelf?
What? To read? Not to paint?
We'll be getting inspired, Sam.
Oh, well, okay.
Okay, and our base is ready. What did Sam say about the attic? I already have the part. Let's glue the attic here. And now the roof. It's made of these two parts. It's important to make sure they're the right size.
What's so inspiring about books anyway?
Open it up.
Nah. That's her! She took the hamsters!
Sam, the hamsters are okay. Remember?
Oh, yeah, right. Wow, so pretty and probably very tasty. Sue, how do I get there?
It's a fairy tale, Sam. The storytellers were the Brothers Grimm. They liked visiting their friends, sitting by the fire.
Oh, we'd be friends. By the way, Sue, let's make a fireplace for our hamsters!
Oh, let's! It'll be so cozy in here. So, our fireplace is made of two parts. This hole has to be big enough for a hamster. I need to fold this part this way and hold it like this. And we'll use these edges to glue the fireplace to the inside of the house. And I'll cover it with one more little part, like this. Great! Now the chimney. The hamsters will be able to use it to climb up and down, so it should be pretty wide.
Sue, so what's up with that fairy tale?
Well, the Brothers Grimm wrote the story about the gingerbread house in 1812.
Wow, long ago. Were there still dinosaurs back then? And slimes?
Sam, it's like you forgot everything about dinosaurs and slimes at once.
No, I was just testing you.
Well, the brothers wrote a whole book of fairy tales, and after it got published, the gingerbread house became very popular.
I love this story.
But that fairy tale is kind of scary. It actually was very close to your dream. There was a witch that lured two little kids, a brother and sister, into her beautiful gingerbread house, and she wanted to eat them.
Oh, please stop!
Oh, but it ends well. The witch was defeated.
What are these stripes in the chimney?
It's a ladder for our hamsters so they can easily climb inside the chimney. Let's put the chimney parts together and glue it in place. Just like this. Carefully, make sure the windows fit. The house is coming out pretty great.
You know what's missing? The house decor. Who's the best painter? Sam's the best painter! Oh, yeah!
Awesome, Sammy! And I prepared these details for the decorations. First, let's attach the legs. It'll be better if I flip the house like this.
Oh, careful, please!
No worries, Sammy, I won't break it. Here. I made these legs out of paper towel rolls. This cardboard is pretty sturdy. Now let's glue the rest of the ornaments. Sweet little candies and icing.
It's good that it's cardboard.
Why, Sammy?
The hamsters won't eat it, and all the cookies will be mine!
And you won't even share with our hamster friends?
Well, okay. They're friends after all. And I'll give some to you.
You have a giant sweet tooth.
Hey, Sue, the decorations are on point. But don't you think something's still missing?
Oh, doors, of course.
And ladders, Susie! How would the hamsters get in the house? And get down from the attic? Don't you worry, though. I have it under control.
Oh, I'm so lucky to have a slime friend who has everything under control. Right, guys? He's right, though. What's a house without any doors, huh? Okay, look, guys. I attached some thread to the door, and now I can glue it to the house. Done!
I'm done, too!
Wow, Sammy, these are good ladders. Guys, quick, give a thumbs up if you like Sam's ladder.
My dear friends, what do you think about our beautiful house? Leave a comment below.
And subscribe to the channel. We'd love to be friends with you.
Oh, I want to eat it so bad. It's just like the real thing.
Yes, Sammy, you did a great job. I'll also add this cozy sofa to make the hamsters even more comfy. All done! Now let's see if the hamsters come back. Let's wait for it.
Will they come or not?
Oh, they won't come. Sam, is the house not good enough? Or maybe they got lost or taken?
I know what to do, Sue. I saw it in that book. That's how Hansel and Gretel found their way home.
Brilliant idea, Sammy. Please let it work, please.
Yay! Here they come!
Come on, girls. You have a whole new house to explore.
Hey, Sue! I think they like the windows!
Aw, you can't fit in there, little guy.
Up.
Be careful up there.
Oh, look! They're climbing!
Oh, yay! Be careful. Wow, what skill.
Da-da-da!
And down. Whoa! Hey, the door's working!
Aw, they really like it here. Open your presents.
Uh-oh, what are you doing up there? Oh!
Whoa!
Uh-oh, be careful!
I think they really like those stairs.
Don't slide down again. Aw, would you look at them? They're so cute! I think they're happy.
like their new home. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your friends. Bye-bye!